What's up, everybody? It's game time, and today I'm opening a box that I promised I would open. I had already opened all this leaf stuff in the back. Leaf, Trinity. It's all kind of new and different. Definitely not used to opening leaf, as I've already mentioned. Everybody follows the channel knows that I don't care for these boxes that only give you a couple of cards. I mean, when I open a box of cards, I want it to be a real experience, but still I wanted to check this stuff out. I mean, a lot of times I end up falling in love with something like, let's see, I need to reach back here, stuff like this, and buy it and buy it and buy it. And I thought, well, you know what, it's time for me to try something new. So I bought all this leaf, and here's the box of Valiant, and I did order one or two more. Oh, I did get the leaf metal draft football that I spoke of, and a box of 2017 leaf metal draft baseball. So after this Valiant, there will be at least, and some other box I had never heard of. I think I ordered it. It was leaf, what was it, like Perfect Game or something? It had something crazy like 20 plus autographs in it. So I guess it says only the best players are invited to this event, and I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna check it out. If you've never seen it, you're going to, if you obviously watched the video. But for now, we're going to get into this box of Valiant. I didn't get anything too crazy out of these boxes. You can go back and watch the videos. There were a couple of good Casey Mize pulls, Nick Madrigal. There's a couple of things that are definitely worth watching. And these videos only last a few minutes, so it's not too hard to watch. This is 3 Valiant autographed rookie cards plus 1 Valiant autographed rookie card graded BGS 9.5, 10, or Black Label BGS 10, which some people aren't that crazy about that Black Label. Say it's whatever, just a ploy to get people to use BGS more often. But anyways, so there's not very many cards in this box. There's less than even the other boxes. I am going to pull these out without looking at them, and you and I are going to look at them together. Try to do it like I did before. Just stick them under there so I don't see them. Yes, there we go. Alright, so 4 cards total, and it feels like we have our first one, which is Kurt Benkert. And that is numbered 9 out of 10. So it's a gold Kurt Benkert. Not bad. Definitely a good looking card. Wow. On card out of 10. Alright. Card number 2, if I can get my hand on it, is Kenny Hill, Midas Touch. Wow, these are good looking cards for sure. On card again, numbered out of 15. That's a nice looking piece of cardboard and chrome. Alright, still need a really good stud though. Let's see. Last one before the graded card, and it is, oh, Royce Freeman. It's not bad, although Royce Freeman needs to up his autograph game because that is weak. So it's a Valiant green, numbered 1 out of 60. So not super low numbered, but it's kind of cool that it's numbered 1. I definitely like the green. Alright, so nothing too crazy so far. Now we have our graded card, which is a 9.5 Vita Vea. Unfortunately, people aren't so crazy about him right this second, but I guess that could change, as it always is possible. On card, another green, numbered out of 60. The 10, but I mean the autograph is a 10. I don't know. There you go. Get it in the light. So 9.5 Gem Mint Green Vita Vea. Well, I'm less than impressed with this box. It's kind of fun to open. The cards are absolutely gorgeous. They're really, really pretty. So that I like. I wish maybe they would throw in 2 more of these autographs for the price that this is. That would be nice. So I don't know that I'll go back and buy this again, but it was definitely worth checking out, and it's not bad. I mean, like I said, the cards look great. They look to be pretty good quality, and it's cool that you get a graded card. So I don't know. I'm kind of in the middle there with Valiant. Thinking probably no. Anybody. Anyways, comment below. Let me know what you think about Leaf Valiant. Is it something you've bought before? Something you like? Something you plan to buy? It's been out for a while, so if you like it, you've probably already bought it. So if you scored anything crazy good, let me know. That way I can decide if I want to go back to the well again on this one. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And I do have some more goodies on the way, some more surprises I'm not going to tell. Just keep watching the channel and you'll see that stuff coming soon. Everybody take care. Bye.